In our last video, we covered where to find iOS Triage. Today, we'll walk through what the Triage results screen looks like. If you've used ITR's macOS Triage before, the iOS Triage results screen will look very familiar. On the left side, you'll see the list of plugins that have been run, along with a search bar to quickly find what you're looking for. For example, searching for down returns both Chromium downloads and sysdiagnose shutdown log. Searching for network pulls up Chromium's network action predictor, as well as plugins for network usage, Wi-Fi connections, and known networks. Just like in macOS Triage, plugins that found artifacts display a record count. Plugins without records appear blank, but remain listed, so you know they were run against the source backup. Within any plugin's results view, you can narrow your data by date range. Filtering between April 2020 and December 2021 returns no results, so we'll search by keyword instead. Here, we'll bookmark a few interesting iTunes records, some podcast download records, and a handful of Bluetooth records. Next, let's look at calendar events. Many are just US holidays, so we'll keep scrolling to find other appointments worth a closer look, including several from the reminders calendar. To quickly bookmark every morning review appointment, we'll search for morning and bookmark all filtered records. When we clear the filter, you'll see that only the filtered records remain checked. And just like in macOS Triage, you can search across every plugin at once with a global search, for example, download. Finally, we'll generate a global report. Reports can include bookmarked items across all plugins or every item in the Triage case. You can export as HTML, PDF, or CSV, and choose which plugins to pull data from. We'll generate a PDF report for our bookmarks from all plugins. Depending on the size of the report, it'll be ready to share after a few moments.